How to enable double press of your power button to instantly turn on the flashlight or turn off the flashlight. This is for the Nothing phone running Android 15, Nothing OS 3. To find this feature and enable it, go ahead and use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once here now, you can choose to type in the words double press and you'll see the suggestions show up. Double press power button. It is part of the gestures. So look for the gestures section if you don't see that. And once you're here now, you'll see double press power button. As you enter here, there is going to be a few options that you can choose from. You have none, so nothing will happen. Your camera, the glyph timer, and one of them would be the torch as an option. So be sure to set it as the torch, and this is going to be very useful so that if you are like in the middle of darkness and you want to turn on the flashlight and you ain't got no time to unlock your phone and swipe and look for flashlight, simply now you can just double press the power button and then use it, then double press it, and it's going to turn off. And you're good, like and sub.